Hi everyone, this is Laura from Tapestry Crochet, and today I'm going to show you how to make this really cute chicken eyeglasses holder. This is very cute to hold your glasses or your sunglasses or to store crochet hooks and supplies, whatever you want to use it for. So for this project, you're going to need a size I 5.5 millimeter crochet hook, medium worsted weight yarn in white or an ivory color, yellow and red, and a pair of safety eyes. To begin, we're going to chain 12. And we're going to work a half double crochet into the second chain from the hook and into each of the next 9 chains. Now we're going to work 5 half double crochets into our end stitch. And we're going to work down the other side of our foundation chain. And we're going to half double crochet down 10 of the chains on the other side. Okay, and we're going to work 5 half double crochets into the last stitch. And slip stitch to join. And that is our round 1. For round 2, we're going to chain 2 and half double crochet the next 10 stitches. Now we're going to work 2 half double crochet into the next 5 stitches. So there's 2 half double crochet in that stitch and the next, and we'll work this 5 times. Now we're going to half double crochet into the next 10 stitches. And now we're going to work 2 half double crochets into the last 5 stitches. and slip stitch to join, and that is round 2. For round 3, chain 2 and work a half double crochet into each of the next 10 stitches. Now we're going to do 2 half double crochets into the next stitch, 1 half double crochet into the next, 2 half double crochets into the next stitch, 1 half double crochet into the next. We're going to repeat this for a total of 5 times. So we just completed 2 sets. We're going to do 2 half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet, 2 half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet, and 2 half double crochet into the next, and 1 half double crochet. Now we're going to half double crochet the next 10 stitches. And again, we're going to work 2 half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet in the next, and we're going to repeat that 5 times. So 2 half double crochet in the next stitch, 1 half double crochet, and we're just going to repeat that for the rest of these stitches. For a total of 5 times. Okay, now we're going to slip stitch to join, and that is the end of round 3. For round 4, we're going to chain 1. And now for this round, we're going to work in the back loop only. We have our front loop and our back loop, and just the back loop we're going to single crochet into, just the back loop. And we're going to do this in each stitch around for this round. Now we're at the end of round 4. We're going to begin round 5 with working directly into the next stitch. So instead of slip stitching to join and chaining to start a new round, we're just going to be working in the round. We're doing this so we don't have a seam running up the side. So you can place a stitch marker here if you need to, or just remember where you joined right here at the beginning of the rounds we've already done, that is your end point. So we're going to just continue to single crochet into each stitch around, and you'll be doing this for the next 3 rounds. So we're just going to single crochet for rounds 5, 6, and 7, and then I will meet you right back. So now we've single crochet the 3 rounds, and we're just going to slip stitch on the last stitch and fasten off. And I'm going to go ahead and weave in the end. Okay, we can fasten off. And we worked over this end down here, so I'm just going to snip that. Okay, now we have our holder, and we can just set that aside for now and grab your yellow yarn, and we're going to make the beak. So for the beak, we're going to chain 3 and single crochet in the second chain from the hook and the next chain, chain 1 and turn, and we're going to single crochet 2 together, and we're going to chain 1, and now we're going to single crochet 2 along each side with 2 single crochets into the bottom corners, so just these 2 corners. Okay. So 2 evenly along the sides, and we'll do 2 single crochet in the corner. And it'll be a little tight, but we want a cute little beak. Okay, and we're going to slip stitch to join and fasten off. You can fasten off leaving a longer tail so that you can easily sew it on. Okay, so I'm just going to weave in this end. Okay. And now we're ready to sew our beak on. I am just going to grab the holder here and find the middle, and that looks about right. And we're just going to go ahead and weave in and out through our holder and through the beak, and I like it just kind of to sit on top here, so I weave in and out through the top middle as opposed to going right on the side and having it hang down. I want it to kind of sit up on the edge here. So you'll have to work that back and forth a couple of times, or as many times as you need so it feels secure. Okay, and then I'm just going to fasten it off on the inside of the holder. And weave that end in and fasten off. Okay. And that is our beak. So now that we finished our beak, we're going to start with the comb and locate your top middle stitch, and then we're going to go to the stitch to the right of that and insert your hook. We're going to pull through with our red yarn and chain 10. and then slip stitch into that same stitch, slip stitch into the next stitch, and chain 10, slip stitch into the same stitch, slip stitch into the next stitch, and chain 10. Now slip stitch into that same stitch, and we're going to fasten off. Okay, and now we're going to go ahead and weave in our ends. Now we finished with our comb, and we have our beak, and we just need to add our eyes. So we're going to take our safety eyes and insert them where you think looks right. And you can take a pair of glasses if you want to double check. That looks very cute. So we can go ahead and fasten those on. And I would just press down so you hear one click. I wouldn't press all the way because it can get really tight. So one click. And we're going to put on our other one. Perfect. Okay, that is very cute. Super cute. And there you have it. That is our eyeglasses chicken holder. I will put the link to the written pattern in the description if you would like to access that. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more free patterns, and have a great day.